welcome to Colors in Life. This is the first video I am shooting in 2020. So I wish you all a very happy new year and have a successful and healthy year ahead. In this video I have tried something new. This is not usual home decor or DIY video. Here I will be trying 3 Alia Bhatt's favorite recipes. She has a YouTube channel and there she started a series called In My Kitchen. I'll mention the link in the description box below. You might have already know that, but still I'll share. I found those recipes very interesting, healthy and tempting. So I thought let's try this. Because first, I'll get to learn something new. Second, me and my husband might get to eat some delicious food. And third, you will get to watch a new video. So now we will try 3 recipes. First, beetroot salad. Second, chia seed pudding. And third, South Indian style zucchini subjzi. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. And yes, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like, share and comment.
I bought all the things which are required and was not available at my home. Zucchini is the only thing which I'll be testing for the first time, and all the recipes are kind of new to me. So I was very excited to try this out. Started with the basic preparation, like I washed all the vegetables properly. Broke the coconut. Let's start with the first recipe, beetroot salad. Peeled and grated 1 whole beetroot. Add it in the bowl. Add 1 cup of curd into that. Add a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of chaat masala and some coriander leaves. Now mix everything well together. For tadka, add 1/4 tablespoon of oil, rai, jeera, hing and fresh curry leaves. Transfer that into bowl and mix everything well together. And our super healthy beetroot salad is ready. Actually, all these 3 recipes are really healthy and nutritious. For chia pudding, roast 1 cup of chia seeds. Add 1 cup of coconut milk into that. Add 1 tablespoon of isopure. I used normal protein powder which was available at home. And add sugar as per your taste. And mix everything well together. Refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours and your dessert will be ready. I properly wrote 3rd recipe on paper so that I will not miss any ingredient. Cut 1 zucchini into small cubes. You know, till now I used to think that zucchini is nothing but turai or gilke. Please let me know in the comment section below who thinks the same. But now my confusion is clear and hopefully yours too. Add half a tablespoon of oil, 1/4 tablespoon of rai, 1/4 tablespoon of hing and fresh curry leaves in the pan. Add 2 to 3 chilies as per your taste. I like spicy food, hence I added 3 to 4 chilies. Then add zucchini cubes into that. Add salt to taste. And cover it with the lid for 3-4 minutes. Then add jeera powder, soft powder and amchur powder. Mix it well together. Then add freshly grated coconut, some coriander leaves. Keep it for 2 minutes and then you are done. You know, at this point, the subji was smelling like sabudana khichdi and I was really curious to test it. After trying this Alia Bhatt's favorite recipes, my today's lunch consists of roti, zucchini sabji, dal rice, beetroot salad, and chia pudding for dessert. Now it's time to test the food. I hope Alia Bhatt eats not only healthy but tasty food. Anyways, my plate was looking so colorful and I was happy with that itself. And if it tastes good, then nothing better than that. I really like the taste of zucchini subjzi. It was yum. And oh my god, this beetroot salad is now my favorite. The combination of beetroot and curd is amazing. I am eating the dessert before starting the main course, but it was also super delicious. Thanks Alia for sharing these recipes. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, share and comment.